Jingeh Habayade Pynkylluid kamai Khyndailad Khyndailad ki hajar ngot ki patpa shakane ka chaka klak sakhi Jingeh nama Jinghamnya Jingjot ki surok Jing sertap ki sainar na Pynkylluid par Jingeh Secretary ke Police Bazaar Welfare Society Devendra Singh Khanyao lo ong ki nong shong de madan kilong ka dawba chung ka Jinghamnya Habayade Jing peloy ka Khyndailad kum ka lenti yai ka chat lo ong baga sarkar ka haban shim khiala ki nong shong snong chung ka ni ka chaka ibadal la kumno kumbala spa ai kadaya ka sautrek yayong momentary ka chungokai tourism uba polling na olalik khmi yakani ka jaka yidi thiet man pulong no kum ka lenti ban yai ki breu marba ka jaka ka khamya palat kabla pinso sat ikeno ya no yang kani ka jaka.
Approximately 300 families are staying in the area which have direct access to the residence through the main road via Thana Road and Lower Pynkylluid area, which have direct access. We have nearly 300 families. So if it is going to be made a pedestrian zone, these 300 families will be really affected in terms of cannot be connected with their residents through vehicles. Here I would like to bring to the notice of all that the main reason for congestion is not the cars that are moving in PB area, but the street vendors who have occupied most of the spaces, empty spaces on the road and the pedestrian, which is the real cause for congestion. See, now before main cause is the hawkers or the street vendors. We are not against the street vendors or the hawkers. We have been requesting the government to reallocate them because everybody has got a right to livelihood. So we are requesting and we have told government several times to kindly identify proper space where the street vendors can do their business in a dignified manner.
Habayade Jing pitana eka Khyndailad Singhaniao lo ong bakat pampat wanra eka lat ka babiang kanam la satya ban wanra eka program ban pitana eka ni jaka. Klapan baru ke Jingeh Habayade Pynkylluid na ka benta ban pulong yakum kani ka program. Walay lay to baka pesabla senyang deka sarkar na ka benta ban pitana eka jaka kadang sa kum jo Donkam.
There is no space for beautification unless and until the roads are cleared. We have many programs in our mind. We have received funds from the government, which we really appreciate, which are lying in the bank of no use because we cannot have any beautification program unless the roads are cleared. You have seen the overhead cables, which is an eyesore to the areas. So unless and until things are moved in a proper manner and proper mechanism is put in place, the beautification program cannot be held.